How to withdraw money on Revolut. So to withdraw money on Revolut, navigate to payments at the bottom, then click on the plus icon in the top right corner. Here, click on bank recipients. Then you will need to add your account details. So first choose the country of your account, choose the currency, fill out your IBAN, which stands for International Business Account Number, fill out your first and last name, and optionally you can add your email. Once all the details are in, click on add recipients. On the next page, it's going to ask you how much you would like to withdraw. So just write the amount you would like to withdraw. Then select the account that you would like to withdraw it from. So if you have multiple currency accounts, select the one you would like to withdraw from. And lastly, if you want, you can also write a reference. Once everything looks good, click on continue. And lastly, it's going to ask you to review the transfer. So check your IBAN number, check the reference, check the amount. And once everything looks good, click on send. And that's how you withdraw money on Revolut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.